It's just so that you guys see I do work too. I know how to work this thing.
Yo quiero par de millones. Chillin', chillin', chillin'.
Yo! Oh yeah, mi gente, what's good, my niggas? We got a couple, I don't even know what we're doing today, but I know it's gonna have to do with some hardwood flooring, so y'all should know what that is. I'm here with my father, and we're gonna go out to Home Depot, see if we can find some hardwood flooring. We are here at Home Depot. I apologize if I sound very, very sick. I am. I don't know what it is that I have. I don't know if it's just a cold or what. And I'm riding around with the man that knows Home Depot the best. My father. Oh my God, I can't wait to get one of these. Bye. I can't wait to get one of these. I gotta get a shop first before I get one of these, but boy, this is some heavy duty stuff right there. Oh my God, these are so beautiful. Look at this. Snap. Alright, enough of that. We gotta find the flooring. Poppy flooring. Flooring. Over here. That's only $39. $40? $56 for one box? Holy shit. Oh, this one's nice. The thing is, we're not gonna even use like half of this. That's the problem. $40. I mean, if anything, we could probably use it for like some, I could give it to somebody else if they want to use the flooring. Come back. Your boy's strong, you right? We got the wood floor. We got and some Gorilla Glue so that it won't come apart. Oh shit. We're good, we're good. Let's go home before it gets any freaking dark. I do everything in the freaking dark. Start doing everything in the morning. It's just in the morning, it'd be so hot, man. Shit. She is now on stock wheels. These aren't my original stock wheels, but they are my sister's stock GS wheels. And honestly, they don't look that bad. I mean, they could be a little bigger. Hardwood floor stuff, so we can get it done and out the way, because look at, there's no more sun. Where's the sun? Oh yeah, it's behind the house, hiding. Alright, I got that out. I got all the crap that I had in the trunk out. I got the ugly ass rug out. Oh my God, that's so disgusting. But this is where we at right now. We're trying to see how we're trying to do it. If we're trying to run the boards the across way, or if we're trying to run them down long, you know, downwards. Oh my God, this man's. I asked him if we need anything to cut it with. We're at Home Depot, so if you need something, let me know. And then once we get home, he was like, I don't know if I have anything to cut it with. Like, come on, man. Don't tell me that we're not gonna be able to do it today. And again, I'm sorry if I sound very, very sick. I am sick. And I'm just trying my hardest to speak normal. Okay? No. We got one more piece? Yo. This is literally, we cannot mess this up. I thought we were gonna use like half of this. Nah, we need all of it. Ow! What the fuck? That looks clean. I think it'll be good. It'll look nice. Hey. Look at that. And we're just now starting. Me and my father don't know what we're doing. What are you doing here? You just browsing? He's not scared of nobody. Yeah, we don't know what we're doing. This is the first time we're ever doing this. Hold on, let me help him real quick. Let me help him. Yeah, my dad, he's had some, you know, some carpentry work before. He's done drywall. He's done almost any type of handyman thing that you could think of. So my dad is pretty experienced, so that's why having him help me with it.
I don't know.
There's a cat giving birth out there. What's up? Go get him, boy. Go get him. He's probably your kids. I'm actually like really hyped on this thing, like really hyped. Can't wait for it to be in the trunk. It's gonna be a whole new, like, this car is gonna look crazy. I'm telling you guys, it's gonna look crazy. Dad, I think we're gonna be the first people to ever do it with a handsaw. The first people to ever do this with a handsaw. At least for a trunk mount. Oh man. I'm gonna give this shit a try. I'll leave that to him. I'll leave that shit to him. Look what my dad found in this shed. Huh. I wonder why. I knew he had, so he said he knew he had one. He had one somewhere. And look at it. It's brand new. It's like he never used it. With a brand new blade. Oh, look at that. We won't need you anymore. Got the rug back on there. Trying to see what other little pieces we have to trim off. He's getting the other side over there. And I'm just over here, you know, going away at some Lays. Some Lays chips. Sick as fuck. Just so that you guys see, I do work too. I know how to work this thing. Got a nice little cut for y'all. Look at that. I can't really see, but how did I do? How did I do?
Perfect.
Perfect? Nice. Nice. Alright, let me go grab the other one. Sorry for all the sniffling, guys. I really do apologize. This whole getting sick thing is really getting on my nerves too. I hope it's over with within this week. I literally just got it right before New Year, so yeah, wish me luck. Alright guys, the hardwood flooring is pretty much almost done. So I'm gonna be cutting up the top piece of the rug, because this is where the wood is at right now in the car. This is where all the wood is at. So I'm gonna be cutting this piece out, and this will eventually get sprayed, and it's gonna be cleaned up, and it's gonna look a lot cleaner. So I'm gonna cut this out right here so that it meets with the wood, and you won't have any metal exposed or anything, so it'll look, you know, a little bit cleaner. And there it is, guys. So perfect clean cut. So just gonna take this, put it in the car, and see how it looks. I never recorded any of it. Anyways, it's in. It looks disgusting, I know. It's gonna get painted. I think that back piece is gonna get painted too. Or I have another car back there that I might steal the seats from, but that's some other story. But yeah, that's gonna get painted. Either way, that's done. Let's go put all the wood together.
Comienza a hablar, Cacón. What are you doing?
I'm gluing.
Yeah, but you have to let them know, the people, what you're doing.
Hey, my niggas, I'm gluing wood right now, with Gorilla Glue, because you know we got to get that heavy duty stuff. Yo, it's the next day, and as you can see, it's dark outside already because I got out of work at like 6 o'clock. Yeah, that's the only thing I hate about, you know, this whole daylight savings and getting out of work so late. But let's cut right into it. Look at, we got it done. It's all glued. The glue stayed overnight, so it should be nice and tough. Got the car all ready so we can put it in. All we're missing is to just slide it in, see how it fits, see how it looks. Oh shit. Nah, you good. Oh my god, how am I gonna fit this bee in there? Come on.
Freaking Japanese shit, man.
Saying the same thing. I'm like, what the fuck, Mitsubishi? No, it's not gonna go in.
Go that one first. Get that después. Oh, 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 oh.
Oh.
Sorry. It's done.
There it is. There it is. The wood setup. Hold on, it might look better once I put the seat up. Hold up. Yeah. Damn, es la alfombra que lo daña.
Yeah.
That rug in the back seat fucks it all up, and the dirty ass plastic too.
You know what look nice? Like a brown fabric.
Brown fabric, or I was thinking the black, the black suede.
Black.
I mean the black suede or whatever. I mean I don't care as long as it's cleaner than this shit. And Bella, this took us like less than $20.
Mm-hmm.
This is something you could do for less than $20. Cause the wood was only like $15. And if you have super glue at your house, then you don't need to buy glue. I just bought glue because I didn't have any. And we bought the Gorilla Glue, so in reality, like, you could spend $20 and have this and do it yourself, unless, you know, you're one of those people that, you know, you'd rather have somebody else do it and then, you know, get it professionally done so it's all perfect and all that stuff. I mean, mine didn't come out perfect, but you can't notice. So if you guys like this video, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, more installs, if you want to see Genesis looking better, the interior looking better, I know a lot of you have been wanting to see the bay getting cleaned up. That's coming up next. That's what I really want to do. I want to make the engine bay look really, really nice, but first I gotta fix the oil leak that's messing up everything in there, because that oil leak is just driving me crazy. I don't know if you guys noticed, but like, I got a crazy leak in this car. So if you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. I'm trying to get to 150 subscribers. I was trying to do it before the end of the year in 2018, but didn't happen, so we can do it now. So let's go, let's do it, let's get it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Chillin'. Yo quiero 4 mansiones. Chillin'. Salí de jangueo en un yate. Chillin'. Si no eres mi coro, rodate. Chillin'. Yo quiero par de millones.